This video provides an overview of the Mirrlees Blackstone MB 190-16 diesel generator set. We will explore the key engine and alternator specifications for this unit, offering a technical look at its performance capabilities and technical data. Here we see the original factory tally plate for the unit. It confirms the engine number and provides the rated speed of 1500 RPM, along with continuous and overload power ratings in both brake horsepower and kilowatts. This image shows the side profile of the generator set. You can see the robust construction and the scale of the engine and alternator assembly as a single integrated power solution. A closer look at the branding plate, clearly identifying the manufacturer as Mirrlees Blackstone, a Hawker Siddeley company. Another view of the generator set, highlighting the arrangement of the alternator housing and the engine block on the heavy-duty structural base. This shot captures the end view of the engine, showing the exhaust manifold and the surrounding auxiliary plumbing and components. Viewing the generator set from the front angle allows you to see the integrated design and the layout of the cooling and intake systems. This is the Alternator Specification plate. It details the Alstom generator unit, specifying an output of 2,500 kVA at 2,000 kilowatts, operating at 1,500 RPM and 50 Hz. Finally, this view shows the alternator section specifically, highlighting the terminal box and the main housing structure of the electrical generator.